Good morning, students. Welcome to the week of April the 20th. This week, our main objective is to review multiplying and dividing integers, okay? So a lot of what we're going to be doing is going to be focused on that. So Monday and Wednesday, you guys are going to have Khan Academy. Please make sure on Monday and Wednesday, you guys have Khan Academy. The activities are listed here. On Monday, you guys have a few more because of the skill gaps that we showed on Friday's assessment. All right, on Tuesday and Thursday, you guys gonna have Prodigy, and you guys gonna be practicing integers. So now it's not gonna be everything, it's gonna be focused on integers. And on Friday, okay, this is very important, based on the skills that you have practiced and shown, you're gonna have an assessment on Google Classroom. Please keep in mind, I'm gonna be grading this by hand and returning it to you the same day, and you have an option to improve your grade by turning in your mistakes. All right, now if you're feeling stuck with integers, that's why on Wednesday I'm offering tutoring. Make sure you join me from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. if you need any help. If you have any questions, you can always text me at my number, which is 909-569-4187. Okay, looking forward to working with you guys. Have a great week. Take care of yourselves and your families, and please be healthy. Thank you.